Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things we like to look at here is PC sales. How good are PC sales? And basically, how interesting is the PC market right now to potential buyers? So we had the first quarter that we talked about a few months ago, where the first quarter of this year actually was a good in PC sales compared to last year. We had a increase in sales, so that was very, very nice. But that also was before PCs started to get really more expensive. And now we have the numbers for the second quarter. These are from IDC, Quarterly Personal Computing Device Tracker, and that was released July 8th. So that's yesterday. And so PC market has shrunk by 4.9%. So the PC sales are down, and it was expected. IDC does say that one of the big players in there is the economic uncertainty mixed in with the high prices of RAM, graphics adapters, SSD drives, making a computer way more expensive than it was last year. The number one seller is, of course, still Lenovo at 16.6 million PCs sold, compared to 17 million last year. That's 2.1% decline. HP sold 13 million compared to 14.3 last year. That's a decline of 9%. And then we have Dell in third place, 9.3 million compared to 9.8. That's 5% down. The surprise here, and this is interesting, the surprise is Apple. It seems that Apple computers are selling more. So they shipped 6.7 million MacBooks this year compared to 6.1 last year, and that's 10.1% increase. So this is very interesting. Are people that dislike Windows 11 going to Apple? This is the question, because they're the only ones that are really rising a lot. I mean, Asus did rise slightly, but 10% increase year over year is major. And this is the question we can ask ourselves. Are Windows users that are not happy either with Windows 11 or with all the scare going on, never tried Windows 11 and are scared of going there because they're only hearing negative things, jumping the board to an Apple computer? Apple has worked hard in having the MacBooks, the low-end MacBooks, at prices that are very competitive with, PCs, meaning that it's tempting to go and buy a MacBook for sure. So this is interesting, but we'll see if that maintains, because Apple just announced a rise in the prices of its MacBooks, its iPhones, its iPads, because it doesn't have a choice. Prices of RAM are really making things more expensive. So this is interesting. Market share overall down 4.9% for PC sales compared to last year. What do you guys think? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.